Most small business owners find marketing really confusing. It's hard to know where to focus your energy, your time or team members' time and your money, right, to see a return. It's confusing. The good news is we've been running a workshop. It's a 2-hour jam-packed workshop where we show you exactly what to do to pull all of your marketing back together. So you will walk away with a clear marketing plan to follow. Basically, you tailor it, you make it your own. You're not committed to us in any way. We just want to empower you so that you get better returns from all of your marketing efforts. We call this session the Marketing Ecosystem Workshop because you will see how everything fits together, the clear numbers to measure. You'll get the templates, the frameworks that you can use forevermore. We've run this session for years and people keep coming back over and over and over again. Good news is it's totally free and you can register here. We'd love to see you on the event, so hopefully see you there.